What's up everyone? In today's quick video, you are going to see how to disable restricted mode on TikTok. Sometimes we might, if you want to see the mature or explicit content on TikTok, you just need to disable the restricted mode. So we are going to see how to do that. Head over to your TikTok application, and once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account of your TikTok and head over to your profile. Then click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Once you're there, scroll down until you see an option content preferences under content and display section. So click on it. There you can see an option restricted mode and filter keywords and other modes for your TikTok. This allows us to refresh or filter the content we need to see or we need not. So as we want to disable our restricted mode, go to restricted mode option and click on turn off. Here you can just choose any option and then click on submit. And here all you need to do is enter your passcode that you have used to turn on your TikTok's restricted mode. So give that password and click on next. And yeah, you can see I have turned off my restricted mode on my TikTok. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned with us for more tech tips and tricks.